We'll guide you through how to make cube in Pixellab. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Pixellab, and click Open to ruining the application from the results list. Delete the default text layer to clear the workspace and set the canvas size if needed to match your design requirements. Tap the Shapes icon, choose the rectangle shape, and draw a square on the canvas. Adjust the width and height values to make both sides equal, then change the square color to your preferred base tone. Duplicate the square and move the duplicated square slightly up and right. Lower the opacity temporarily to align it precisely with the original shape, then restore the opacity after positioning is correct. Select the duplicated square and open the perspective option to skew the square and create a side face. Adjust the angle carefully until it looks three-dimensional. Then change the side face color to a slightly darker shade to add depth. Duplicate the original square again and move it upward to form the top face of the cube. Use the perspective tool to match the cube angle so the top face aligns with the side face. Change the top face color to a slightly lighter shade to highlight the surface. Align all three faces carefully and remove any gaps between shapes so the cube looks solid. Zoom out to check the cube shape and make sure the proportions look realistic. Add a subtle shadow under the cube to enhance the three-dimensional look. Group all cube faces together so they move as one object. Reposition the cube on the canvas to your desired location and finally save the design to your device. Check the alignment once more by zooming in and refining the edges so no overlaps are visible. Ensure the colors are consistent and the lighting looks natural from a single direction. If necessary, fine-tune the perspective angles slightly to make the cube more realistic. You can also duplicate the grouped cube to create multiple objects and experiment with different color schemes for practice. And export at high resolution to maintain maximum results.